Hey, what's up? It's your boy Esquire the Barber, aka the Blessed Man. I know it's been a minute since I did a video and I apologize. On this video, I pretty much did a touch-up fade on a fade that I did maybe like a week and a half prior to this video. The steps that I used are a little bit different. There's no guidelines being set. It's just me blending my way up into the hair. This method for me is really effective. Hopefully it works for you guys. I only recorded me doing one side of the cut because I literally did the same thing on the other side. It's a fade, 2 hard parts in the front, and other than that, we're just gonna get into it. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Esquire the Barber, aka the Blessed Man, and we out. Alright y'all, so this is gonna be my only guideline. I'm gonna be using my Andis T-Outliners to make my bald line. Other than that, the whole way through, I'm just blending up into that hair. So my next step is gonna be my Oster fast feeds with the lever fully closed. Fully closed means when the top blade and the bottom blade are as close together as they can get. And from this point on, I'm literally just doing lever play. Lever play is when you open and close the lever to your liking to make sure that fade comes together how you want it to come together. So you guys know I always tell y'all to make sure you do touch-up work. Literally, this cut is a whole haircut based off of touch-up work. Because of there not being any guidelines, it's almost like I'm doing touch-up work on a whole haircut. And once you guys learn how to fade like this, I guarantee your fades will come out a whole lot cleaner. It'll just make it look dope when you can fade somebody almost from nothing. Alright, so right now I got my purple zero guard on my Oster fast feeds, and I'm literally doing the same exact steps that I did previous to this. Alright, so right now I got my 1.5 guard with the lever fully closed on my cordless Wahl magic clips, and all I'm doing is flicking out. I'm not digging in, it's strictly flicking out. Right here I got my number 2 guard with the lever fully closed, and I'm doing the same exact thing, flicking out, and I'm just gonna go between the number 2 and the number 1.5 guard just to make that blend come together a little bit better. Alright y'all, so right now I'm doing clip over comb. This is a very effective way to make your blend come together without taking that fade too high. Just a little knowledge for y'all, when you're holding the comb vertically, that's going to take away weight. When you hold the comb horizontal, that's going to create weight. And when you hold the comb diagonally, that's going to create movement. So always make sure that you're paying attention to your angles when you're doing clip over comb, because that will make and break your haircut. And right here, I'm just cleaning up the beard, keeping it natural, not pushing in, just making sure that beard looks crispy. Always remember when you're using a razor, always remember to stretch the skin. Stretching the skin will give your client a smoother shave, and it'll cause less irritation when it grows back and also while you're cutting it. Alright, so y'all already know how I am about the lineups. Always pull away, do not push in. Unless they ask you otherwise, keep that lineup natural. It will come out crispy if that haircut is on point. All right, so right here, this is my favorite part of the cut, the two hard parts in the front. This client, the reason why he got this, he came across a picture that he had when he was in 10th grade, and he asked me could I pretty much give him that haircut again. And when I did it the week prior, he was like, bro, I'm in love with this haircut. So I don't know how much longer he's gonna keep doing this cut, but for the time being, it's a dope haircut, and anytime he wants it, I'm doing it.
Know what it is. J.Esquire, the best barber in Orlando. Book the man. Yeah, results. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, that bit clean, bro. Yeah.
Alright, there y'all go. A touch up on the fade. It's a little different method than what I normally do, but as y'all can see, the fade's still A1, it's still clean. If y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Esquire the Barber, aka the Blessed Man. We out.